All right, I just wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to use Canva to create a magazine and use the templates in Canva, the pre-built ones if you want to. You can for sure create your own if you want to do that, but one of the things that Canva does really well is it has built-in templates. So to find them, you're just going to be in canva.com at the main at the home page, and there's lots of different options here, but I think the easiest way to do it is just to search. So if you search magazine and you want to click Canva templates, I'm going to search and you can see that Canva has lots of different ones in here. So you can choose one that kind of suits your style, suits your the topic and the vibe that you're going for. Let's say I'm just going to choose one of these. You can click customize this template. And once you have that open, this is a travel style magazine. You can see that there's lots of different page layouts here that you can use and adapt and change. So these have built-in kind of paragraphs, built-in spots for pictures, places for articles, page numbers, all that kind of thing. So I think this is kind of the easiest way to do it. But also you can change things around, right? So when you click on things, you can change them, you can reorganize things, you can move things around. You don't have to leave it this way, right? It's just a starting point. So I think that kind of the easiest thing to do would be to just poke around with a few different templates and find one that you think the layout suits the purpose that you're going for, and then edit from there. If you need some help with Canva, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. And there's also lots of experts in the class too who are comfortable using Canva. So use each other as resources as well.